Off timing, short clears, and smashes that fizzle out can drain your confidence fast. If your current racket feels numb or unforgiving, this video is for you. Today we're counting down the 7 best badminton rackets that sharpen control, generate effortless power, and quicken your reactions. So rallies go in your favor. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Yonex Arc Saber 11. If you love feeling the shuttle sit on the strings for a beat, this is your control upgrade. The design encourages a touch-first style, letting you steer tight net shots and place clears with calm precision even when pace rises. A confident hold on contact helps you take the shuttle a fraction later without losing direction. That extra fraction matters on defense, where blocks and lifts need to be accurate under pressure. The larger sweet spot forgives less than perfect footwork and rewards clean technique with a crisp, linear response. At the net, drops feel connected and easy to disguise. From the rear court, you can add length without muscling the stroke, which keeps your arm fresher across long matches. The frame shape supports consistent depth so clears reach corners without floating. For intermediate players who want a classic all-court partner that teaches good habits, this racket is a steady hand. It helps you build patterns, finish with angles instead of brute force, and trust your placement on every rally. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Kawasaki 160. Family matches, friendly club nights, or a casual comeback to the sport all benefit from a complete no-fuss setup. This set brings 2 rackets, shuttles, and a carry bag, so you can get playing immediately with gear that feels solid and reliable. The frames balance lightness with sturdiness, giving you easy swings and reassuring stability on contact. That stability reduces wobbles on mishits and makes your first few sessions smoother, which is exactly what beginners need to build confidence. An internal joint design promotes a more connected feel between head and shaft. In practice, that means less twisting and more predictable direction when you are still learning timing. Clears travel with less effort and serves find length more consistently. Because everything comes ready to go, focus shifts from setup to enjoyment. Bring it to the park, share with a friend, and keep games going without juggling extra purchases. If you want a friendly entry point that still respects good fundamentals, this kit makes badminton easy to love. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Cannon Sports. Starting a habit is easier when the essentials are dialed. This bundle gives you 2 rackets, a half-dozen practice-friendly shuttles, and a carry bag. Perfect for spontaneous sessions at the gym or weekend rallies in the backyard. Light, durable frames help you swing freely without tiring your shoulder. That lighter feel encourages full strokes, which improves technique faster than poking at the shuttle. You will feel more in control of length on clears and more confident aiming drop shots just over the tape. The included shuttles fly consistently, so you can focus on footwork and contact rather than compensating for erratic flight. That consistency speeds up learning and makes games more enjoyable for mixed skill groups. Everything packs neatly, which reduces friction to play more often. For families and new players who want dependable gear that supports real improvement, this set strikes a nice balance of power, control, and convenience from day one. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Senston N80. If you are ready to move beyond starter gear into a quicker, more responsive frame, this light, fully carbon build is a great leap. The racket accelerates effortlessly, so you can get the head up in time for fast exchanges and change direction on a dime. That speed shows up most at the net, where quick taps, kill shots, and tight spins benefit from minimal backswing. On defense, the frame's stability keeps blocks straight even when you are stretching late into the corners. Your lifts will feel cleaner with fewer frame vibrations. The head shape broadens the sweet spot, forgiving slight timing errors while still rewarding the middle with satisfying, lively feedback. Clears reach the back line without extra strain, and drop shots land softer with better height control. Grip comfort and balanced handling make longer sessions kinder to your forearm. For improving players who want a tool that encourages fast hands and precise placement, this racket turns quick reactions into confident points. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. MB Fish. Sometimes the best way to play more is to make it simple for everyone to join. This 2-racket set pairs a sturdy, player-friendly frame with quality accessories so practice feels legit and games run smoothly for all levels. The rackets offer a reassuringly large sweet spot, helping beginners connect while giving intermediates the consistency needed for clean patterns. Contact feels stable, so drives and blocks do not flutter offline. That stability builds trust when pace climbs in doubles. Included shuttles are durable enough to survive enthusiastic smashes and repetitive drills. A comfortable handle wrap keeps palms drier, which reduces grip tension and improves control. Everything fits in a spacious bag that protects your gear and keeps the household organized. Bring it to the park, the beach, or the club and start rallying. If your goal is dependable equipment that encourages more badminton and fewer excuses, this set checks every box without complicating your life. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Yonex NanoFlare Nextage. Rapid fire is the theme here. If you want instant acceleration with a whippy, comfortable feel, this design prioritizes speed and maneuverability so you can keep the initiative in fast exchanges. A responsive shaft and a head that feels quick through the air lets you snap through drives and intercept flat shots before opponents settle. On defense, the racket recovers position rapidly, which saves points when you are digging out of the rear court. From the back line, you can still generate length with relaxed swings thanks to efficient energy return. That means fewer strained clears and a smoother rhythm across long rallies. The frame's compact ideas help concentrate power at the sweet spot, sharpening the sound and feel of pure contact. Players who thrive on pace, angles, and constant pressure will feel right at home. If you want a modern, speedy partner that keeps your hand light and your reactions sharp, this racket is a joy to swing. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Yonex NanoFlare Speed. When you demand quick handling without sacrificing precision, this top pick delivers a blend of agility, control, and confidence that makes every stroke feel purposeful. The frame cuts through the air, helping you win the first touch at the net and reset faster on defense. Isometric geometry expands the sweet spot so timing mistakes are less costly. That forgiveness lets you swing freely, which paradoxically adds both power and accuracy. Clears travel deep with less effort, and drop shots come off the strings with a clean, satisfying bite. A stabilized joint design calms twisting at impact, keeping your lines straighter on hard smashes and fast drives. The slim shaft adds a touch of whip for extra snap when you really go after a winner, yet it remains composed for delicate net play. Whether you are carving a tight cross drop or unloading from the rear court, the feedback stays precise and encouraging. For ambitious intermediates and advancing players who want speed with surgical placement, this racket feels like an instant upgrade. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best badminton rackets you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.